We are making shrimp scampi with Chef Adela Campos at Bobarino's in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We're going to start off by grabbing our shrimp.
Heavy whipping cream, just 36% is fine.
And then some butter, Parmesan, some parsley, spaghetti,
Some garlic,
lemons, and red pepper flakes.
The shrimp scampi that we have, it's light, it's fresh, it's lemony, like it's kind of what you want during the summer. I just like to go pretty small dice. I like to use cold butter in the scampi just so it emulsifies the sauce better. Love having that nice sizzle, get a nice crust on our shrimp, and we want all this nice stuff to stay in there. A little bit more oil, just some mushroom sticks. We're gonna do shallots, our nice minced garlic, and we're gonna give that a nice little swirl. Let that drink. So we get a nice transparent look on your garlic and your shallots. We're gonna lower this and add some wine. We want all that stuff that's stuck at the bottom of the pan to come off, because that's just gonna give us the flavor in our sauce. Get all those nice flavors to lift off of the saute pan. Lemon in here, of course. I'm just gonna flip my microplane and I'm just gonna squeeze some lemon juice in here. And that'll catch all the seeds falling from the lemon. Just gonna swirl that in. Chili flakes. In here. Chili cream. And that gives like a nice little shine to the sauce. Parmesan to garnish. Sweet. Zest some lemon on top. And that's how you make our Bobarino shrimp scampi. So we're gonna grab some basil out here. We like to use our herbs and our edible flowers from our nice sky deck out here just to garnish our plates. So nice to have nice and fresh things out here that we can just come out and get whenever we need them.